Welcome to 47 Dreambird in the Views at Rose Hill community in Leicester, North Carolina. This 3-bed, 2-bath home with attached 2-car garage is a 2019 construction and has so many amazing features and amenities. Let's go check it out inside. This home includes plenty of natural lighting, an updated kitchen with granite countertops and a gas stove, pasture and mountain views off the back screened-in deck, all on one-level living. The on-site amenities include a pool, a clubhouse, and a spa, and all lawn mowing is provided by the HOA. Thank you for joining us today at 47 Dreambird in Leicester, North Carolina. My name is Galen Walter. I'm with the Haven Realty team, powered by LPT. If you have any questions on this property, please reach out.